you ever noticed QR codes on menus, flyers, or signs and wondered if anyone actually scans them? For most businesses, these codes are just there with no way to know if they're working. This is the reality for countless companies relying on static QR codes. They're printed everywhere, but there's no feedback, no tracking, and no insight into customer behavior. It's like shouting into the void and hoping someone hears you. In today's data-driven world, not knowing what works can mean wasted time and money. But what if there was a better way to use QR codes and actually measure their impact? Static QR codes are everywhere, but they're essentially blind. Once printed, you can't change where they point, and you get zero information about who's scanning them or when. Imagine investing in marketing materials and having no idea if they're effective. That's the limitation of static codes. Businesses are left guessing, unable to adapt or improve their campaigns. In a world where data is king, this lack of visibility is a huge disadvantage. But what if you could see exactly how your QR codes are performing and even update them on the fly? Enter dynamic QR codes. Unlike static codes, dynamic QR codes give you control and insight. You can update the destination anytime, even after printing. This means you can change your offer menu or landing page without reprinting anything. Plus, you get real-time tracking, see who scanned, when, where, and what device they used. This transforms QR codes from a guessing game into a powerful marketing tool. Businesses can finally measure results, optimize campaigns, and truly connect with their audience. One of the biggest advantages of dynamic QR codes is the ability to update the destination link at any time. Imagine you've printed hundreds of flyers and suddenly your promotion changes. With static codes, you'd have to reprint everything. But with dynamic codes, you simply update the link online and all your printed codes instantly point to the new destination. This saves time, money, and reduces waste, making your marketing more flexible and sustainable. Dynamic QR codes offer real-time analytics, letting you see exactly how your codes are performing. You can track every scan, who scanned it, when, where, and even what device they used. This data is invaluable for understanding your audience and optimizing your campaigns. Instead of guessing, you get clear insights that help you make smarter marketing decisions. With this level of detail, you can quickly spot trends, identify what works, and adjust your strategy for better results. Dynamic QR codes are powerful. Many tracking tools come with a hefty price tag. Most platforms charge $40 to $50 a month, which can be out of reach for small businesses or startups. This high cost often forces businesses to stick with static codes, missing out on valuable data and flexibility. It's a frustrating situation, knowing there's a better way but not being able to afford it. But what if there was an affordable solution that didn't compromise on feature? QR Jolt is changing the game by making dynamic QR code analytics accessible to everyone. Starting at just $4.99 a month, QR Jolt offers the same enterprise-level analytics that big companies use, but at a fraction of the price. Now, small businesses can compete on a level playing field, tracking every scan and updating their codes as needed. QR Jolt removes the cost barrier, empowering businesses of all sizes to make data-driven decisions and get the most out of their marketing. QR Jolt, you get more than just dynamic QR codes. The platform combines four powerful tools: QR Studio for creating and managing codes, Link in Bio for social media, Vanity Short Links for branding, and real-time analytics for tracking. All these features are integrated into one easy-to-use platform, streamlining your marketing efforts and giving you everything you need to succeed. No more juggling multiple services. QR Jolt brings it all together. QR Jolt isn't just for local businesses. It's trusted by companies in over 150 countries. With more than 10 million scans tracked, the platform has proven its reliability and effectiveness on a global scale. Whether you're a small cafe or a large enterprise, QR Jolt adapts to your needs and helps you connect with customers anywhere in the world. This wide adoption speaks to the platform's versatility and the growing importance of smart QR code tracking. Getting started with QR Jolt is simple. The platform is designed for ease of use, so you don't need to be a tech expert. Create your dynamic QR codes, set up tracking, and start collecting data in just a few clicks. The intuitive interface guides you through each step, making it accessible for everyone. Whether you're managing one campaign or dozens, QR Jolt makes it easy to stay organized and in control. With QR Jolt's real-time analytics, you're never in the dark about your marketing performance. Instantly see how many people are scanning your codes, where they're located, and what devices they're using. This immediate feedback lets you respond quickly to trends and make adjustments on the fly. It's like having a marketing dashboard that updates every second, giving you the power to optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. Dynamic QR codes give you the flexibility to adapt your marketing in real time. Change your offers, update your links, or redirect customers to new content without any hassle. This agility is crucial in today's fast-paced business world where trends and customer preferences can shift overnight. With QR Jolt, you're always ready to respond and stay ahead of the competition. By allowing you to update QR code destinations without reprinting, QR Jolt helps reduce waste and save money. This sustainable approach is not only good for your budget but also better for the environment. Businesses can run more campaigns with fewer resources, making marketing both effective and eco-friendly. It's a win-win for your bottom line and the planet. Small businesses, startups, and even large enterprises can all benefit from dynamic QR codes and QR Jolt's affordable analytics. Whether you're running a local cafe, a retail shop, or a global brand, the ability to track, update, and optimize your QR codes is a game changer. It levels the playing field, giving everyone access to powerful marketing tools that were once only available to big companies. Ready to take your marketing to the next level? With QR Jolt, you can start tracking your QR codes for free and see the difference real-time analytics makes. Scan, track, and know exactly how your campaigns are performing. Don't let your marketing efforts go unnoticed. Embrace the power of dynamic QR codes and make every scan count.